This is how far me and John Jr. have already came. We were right up over there. Came across the creek and down this way right here. Now we're over here on this side.
I'm really thinking about
trashy as hell out here.
I'm really just thinking about walking across this water.
Get a log or something.
The only log I see is that big thing.
See, back there where we came from. Hold on, let me get a picture here. Or record it. Yeah, you can hear that. Hear the waterfall. You can hear the waterfall all the way back over there at the house. Trip. Wow. Look, he's in the water. You alright?
I'm cold now.
How can you be cold? It's hot as heck out here.
I might as well just come.
I know I gotta. Wow. Look at him. What a good uncle I am. I'm keeping an eye on my nephew, letting him get in the water. I'm not doing it.
It's not that cold.
You out of your mind. I didn't bring no extra shoes.
You can borrow my flip-flops.
Yeah, oh yeah, I did bring my flip-flops. Still not doing it. Still not doing it. I'll throw a log across there before I get in the water. Look at that TV, man. That thing is huge down there. I'm about a couple steps away from slipping down in that water.
I want you to slip.
Yeah. Why? I didn't want you to slip.
Come on.
Hell no.
Don't be a pussy.
I ain't no pussy.
Walk like right there and then get a log. Hell no, you don't.
Turkey. He's a ham. You can tell he's a bird. He's a bird. There's some badass skipping rocks over here. There's a gun. Here we go. Skip. Ah, couple.
Only two. Come on. Here, I can put this bracket up for you.
I'm gonna set the camera up right here if it'll stand up. There we go. Skip some rocks. I just drag that one across.
Yeah, great idea.
Yeah. Oh, look at that one. That was like 5-6 times. Skipping rocks.
I'm literally like squeezing water out of my.
Wow, did you see that one?
No, I'm not lying.
There you go. Boosh! Agua. Man, I'm actually hot.
I'll just swim across.
Yeah.
I practically already have.
Yeah, you're already wet as hell. Watch out for them damn spiders. That one sucks.
I'm gonna come back across.
Oh man, here's a real good one right here.
Watch my stick.
Look at that one, 5 or 6. Man, that's some badass rocks. Wow. Wow. I'm 42 years old. I'm out here like a teenager.
Yeah.
You could have found an arrowhead. See that sack right there? Boosh!
Nope, you missed.
I nicked it. Barely.
Oh. Let me see what this is.
Look at him. That's funny.
I honestly, there's a sign on the water. Give me something to throw out.
Here.
Just like underhand it. Underhand it too.
Wow, you should have caught that turkey. Oh, what's this one? Skip. Ugh.
Nice.
Wow, wow, that one almost all the way across.
It's like a smooth rock.
Oh, there's tons of them over here. Wow.
I'm paying attention to you.
Here, I mean... Oh, check this rock out. Look at this thing. Watch this. Let's see, what else could I throw you? You still see it?
Yeah, I still see it. I just want to get rid of it because it's...
Uh-oh. Here goes another one right here.
Here's this thing that I really want to see what it is.
Wow, did you see that one?
Wait, let me try getting this sitting.
Here's a smaller one.
Hold on.
Use both your hands. Use your shirt to like capture it. Good catch. Here's a good skipping rock. There's another one to chunk at it.
It's in a bad position. Where is it? Come on.
He's just out there on that branch that fell over.
Because there's something sticking out here that I want to grab.
What is it?
It's like a pole. Or, I don't know.
Break up one of them limbs over there. Alright, I'm signing out.